Today we're baking. Welcome back to Muppet Mayhem, and today we're going to turn this Winnie the Pooh plush into this puppet. Hello, Christopher Robin. We'll need to figure out where to put the hand hole in, so today we're going to put it in his back. With Pooh laying on his stomach, we're going to put a seam where his shirt usually lays. Lift up his shirt, and we will be using a seam ripper to take out the seam. You could use scissors or a razor blade. It could seem a little hard at the start to find the seam, but once you get going and find the right string, you could do it, and it's actually pretty easy. When you're done with your hand hole, you have the string, and don't cut the string because the seam will come loose. Tie a knot so the seam won't come loose. To protect the inside of your puppet, you could get a zipper from any sewing store. Pull out some stuffing to do a pathway to his mouth, but remember, Pooh Bear's pretty fat, so don't pull out too much. Once you make that path to his mouth, you can see his mouth moves really, really well. Where's the honey? We're going to insert an arm control rod into his left arm. If you're right-handed, you use his left arm. If you're left-handed, do his right arm. If you want to know how to make an arm control rod, watch our other video, how to make an arm control rod. To make a hole for the arm control rod, use a poker. You could get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. Put the arm control rod into the hole, but be careful, it's pretty easy to lose the hole that you made. And now you have a Winnie the Pooh puppet. I still not on my honey. But click the thumbs up and subscribe button to fill that honey jar. Thank you. If you want to insert an arm, we're using a razor. We're gonna insert an arm control rod into his left arm.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment as to what puppet you'd like to see us make next. Thanks a lot.